This child was approached, they were approached by one of our nurses who was ready to leave. And the nurse had an apple in her hand, and the child asked for that apple. She was hungry, starved. We didn't know what to do because the DTA office is closed at a certain time. They didn't know where to send them. The nurse drove her back to the police station. What did the police do? They just dropped her back off in the corner of the Holyoke Health Center. This child was hungry. They had nowhere to go. It was pouring rain, and we were just stuck. Didn't know where to turn to, who to call after hours or anything like that. You know, trying to call the city hall, we couldn't reach anyone. So this mother stayed with her child in the church in Holyoke. We're all full. There was nowhere for her to go in. So this is a situation that we see ourselves. Families that come in with their children, nowhere to go, freezing cold, no food. We just don't, we need help. And it's hard to see that. Thank you.
Our next panel, please.